Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 379th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Can you believe the 4th of July is upon us, 4 days away? So today I'm going to share with all you some delicious treats that I've been preparing for your 4th of July barbecue. We're going to make 4th of July, aka Patriotic Cupcakes. Gonna be the colors of the flag, red, white, and blue. And my friends, you won't believe how simple and easy this recipe is. It is the bomb.com. It's gonna be so delicious, and we're gonna top it with a fluffy white frosting on it. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's gonna fall in love with these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other great treats to serve for the 4th of July. My summer berry pizza and my no-bake summer berry cheesecake lasagna. My southern baked beans, and my previous video, orange creamsicle pie. I'll post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your cupcake liners, your food coloring, and your frosting sugar, because we're about to bake some patriotic cupcake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 package of white cake mix, and into our cake mix we're going to add in 1 cup each of white sugar and all-purpose flour and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and give that a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Alright, now it's time to add in our other ingredients. 4 large egg whites that let come to room temperature, 1 cup of yogurt, and I'm using light yogurt, or you can use the original whole milk or even Greek yogurt. Gonna make the cupcakes super moist. 1 1/3 cups of half and half at room temperature, which is half milk, half heavy cream. 2 tablespoons of canola oil. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract. And we're going to mix all these ingredients together on medium speed for 2 minutes until well blended. Alright my friends, and just that quickly, our cake batter is done. I can smell the almond extract. Nice and fluffy. Alright, that looks great. So now I'm going to separate the batter in 2 bowls. So as soon as I get those 2 together, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got my batter together. In these 2 bowls here, I have 1 1/3 cups. We're going to fill one with red food coloring and another blue food coloring. And we're going to keep this bowl plain. So we're going to take my blue food coloring, and in this bowl red. Give that a quick stir. Alright, I'm going to finish stirring my cake batters, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing my cake batters. Now we're ready to fill them up. We're going to fill them into 12 cupcake liners. I'm going to show y'all my patriotic cupcake liners. Isn't that pretty with the white and the red and blue polka dots? Those are pretty. Alright. So first we're going to do the red. we're going to put 2 tablespoons of the red. Then we're going to fill 2 tablespoons of the white. Like so. And then 2 tablespoons of the blue. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish filling up my cupcakes and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got my cupcakes all together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 325-degree oven. All right, my friends, I have taken my red, white, and blue cupcakes out of the oven. It smells incredible up in this kitchen. So now we're going to let the cupcakes cool completely. And while they're cooling, we can get started on a luscious white frosting. In my large bowl, I have 1 stick, which is a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to cream this on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright, my friends, 2-hour butter. We're going to add in a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract and mix those in until it's well incorporated. Alright, next we're going to add in 3 cups of powdered sugar that I sifted. Add a little at a time. And I turn my speed down to low so that way I won't make a mess. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in some 1/2 and 1/2. I'm using about 2 tablespoons. Alright, my friends, I'm through making our white icing and our cupcakes is nice and cool. Now we're ready to pipe them. Before we start, I want to share with y'all my red, white, and blue platter. Isn't that pretty? Perfect for the 4th of July. Alright, now we're going to put the cupcakes onto the platter. Alright, my friends. So now I have my icing in the piping bag with a 1 inch star tip. Just going to pipe them all around. Like so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish piping the rest of my cupcakes and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through piping my cupcakes. So now I have some red, white, and blue sprinkles. We're just going to sprinkle them right on top. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the sprinkles on my cupcakes and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Red, white, and blue, aka Patriotic Cupcakes. Don't they look pretty and festive? I sprinkled 6 with regular sprinkles and 6 with the star-shaped sprinkles. Gorgeous. Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Mmm. Look at that. Light and moist. It just melts in your mouth. I love that hint of almond extract. And that white icing is spectacular. These would definitely be a hit for the 4th of July. These are super duper tasty, my friends. Please give these cupcakes a try. red, white, and blue cupcake-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy 4th of July.